Welcome to our guide on how to properly shut down your DuroMax portable generator. Proper shutting down helps prevent potential damage caused by exposure to elements such as moisture and debris, and other issues that may arise from improper shutdown, ensuring that it remains in optimal condition and ready for use when needed. Let's start with the first step. Turn your main breaker off. Now that the main breaker is off and there is no load, we can move to step 2. Allow the generator to run for 1 to 2 minutes to cool down. For step 3, turn off your fuel valves. This ensures your generator has a seamless startup next time you need it. Once you have shut down your generator properly, you are ready to store it. Depending on how long you want to store your generator, we always recommend connecting a battery tender to the battery to avoid battery degradation if you are storing the generator and planning to use it within 30 days. If gasoline is your main source of fuel, use a fuel stabilizer to ensure the gasoline stays fresh during the 30 days of storage. Remember, proper maintenance for your portable generator helps keep it in top shape. With these simple steps, you can ensure your generator is shut down and stored properly to ensure it is ready when you need it most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more maintenance tips and tricks.